What a run here on the SPY, the S&P 500 index, testing key resistance levels and falling back down and erasing everything again, but continuing to fight and hold support. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:05 a.m. that didn't get canceled till 3:05 p.m., lasting nearly all day. Inflows were strong. They crossed the midpoint to the upside, and in that strength and 42 vision pushing up, call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to our 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and joining the members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Once again, that link is down below in the description and top pinned comment. So here we are with the SPY having inflows picking up after that outflow level from Friday in the after hours, which continues to act as a strong resistance here on the SPY. We actually rejected not that far off of it by 50 cents to $1. Down here at 566.50, and outflows accelerated, followed by that bear indicator, two double confirmations, and then you had here this inflow level as a point of reference that if it could not hold, it may break down and test even lower supports throughout the day that were used to push upwards. And this is where 42 vision really gives us that edge, right? We had that bull indicator in the first half of the day, followed by the strength of these inflows. Blue is inflows dominating, red is outflows, so you could see that clarity there of 294,000. And then you had the point of reference up here of 566. Is it guaranteed to always hit it? No, but at least you have a point of reference of direction and the further point of strength. And then right here in this tight consolidation, we pushed up from this level of 565. We had, again, this point of reference up here. And then on the way back down, this tight range, this is really where 42 vision gives us that edge in the volatility, because we had double confirmations, right? We had those outflows dominating. We rejected the outflow level from up here, followed by that bear indicator. And you had the support here at 565 and 564 to not ignore, because as it was approaching it, we could use that as reference. And if that broke, it would continue down towards lower levels. And again, the link is down below in the description and top pinned comment to get connected and join the members using 42 vision to see the strength of trends with our bull and bear indicators and the strength of these supports and resistance, and use them as point of reference. They don't always get hit or are guaranteed to get hit, but having it there, when we were pulling downwards, we knew that down here at these levels, this inflow level was a point of reference of possibly getting broken through or hit. And if it did get broken through, the acceleration of weakness would have been even quicker and lower. And that's exactly what happened here. And here we are fighting here with inflows. And if we look at it from the bigger picture on the 15-minute, we're in a huge range, right? We talked about how important 555 was. The highs up here of 570 is still a huge resistance to not ignore. And then we're fighting in this area of outflows historically from way back here at 558 to 571. Back on Thursday, April 3rd, and Wednesday, April 2nd, where these acceleration of outflows began and dropped us down to 480. And then we've been coming back up, and we're in this area. As long as these inflows continue to hold up, and we have two of them back to back, 162,000 and 742,000, and you could see the inflows there dominating, it could continue to try and hold, especially if it stays above 560 through the volatility, to retest and try to go for 570. If 570 gets broken through, we see it here on the 30-minute. The next level is 572, and we have this strong inflow level here holding up this chart right now. Yes, we're under multiple bear indicators, but in the bigger picture of the 1 hour, we have another bear indicator as well, and the first support down here is 560 again. And then the 2 hour is under a bull indicator. So for as long as the 2 hour and the 4 hour hold this bull indicator, any pullback is not even justifiable, right? It could just be the resistance, the volatility, and it's something to watch as we try to hold support. And the support I'm watching is 560. And if we can go ahead and break out, 570 is crucial, 572, and then you have the 574 to 576 level here historically, where we slowed down as we try to pull back up from 550, followed by that bull indicator at 561, We hit that level of 575, and then we got multiple bear indicators and pullbacks here ever since. And then we finally got inflows here, and as soon as these inflows popped up, and again, the extra layer of confirmation of the trend with this bull indicator at 522, every single pullback has not been justified because no bear indicators popped up, and we have the point of reference here of 574 to retrace and retest. And that's really where 42 Vision gives us that edge, because every single time these levels are hit or they're trying to pull up towards them and supports or resistance are found, it will retrace and try to retest the levels previously, like it did here, right? On the 5-minute, you could see how it pushed upwards. It tried to retrace up towards this outflow level from Friday, and then when it rejected, it retraced back down to this inflow level, broke through it, and retraced back down to the beginning of the day. And we have this inflow level here that's going to be crucial to hold to go any further to the upside, right? So the first support is 562 I'll be watching, down here 560, and then below that it's 558. To the upside, we want to see this go towards 565, then above 565 is 566 to 567, and then we can reassess and see if we're going to push out towards the top of this outflow level, followed by the strength of these inflows here to the 570 level, and then we can reassess at those levels. But right now we have multiple bear indicators. I'm going to be watching if they continue to hold and retest the supports to the downside, or could we get it canceled tomorrow with the bull indicator and continue to push up and retest 570, as we're up here for the first time in these outflow levels here since way back here in April 2nd and 3rd. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us and join the members using 42 Vision to receive that clarity and edge. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.